Bioregen. Everybody needs energy, and to get it we eat. But where does our food come from? And where does it go? How do we continue to gather enough energy to feed us all? The average human consumes 1.25 kilograms of food a day. That's a whopping 53 tons in a lifetime. Unfortunately, up to half of the food we grow is wasted during preparation, even before it gets to the table. And then, even more is left uneaten. Leftover food becomes food waste that is usually just thrown away. This causes big problems in cities and landfill sites, and ultimately for us all. Food waste in cities is a major health problem, and in landfill sites, rotting food is a major contributor to global warming. All that energy going to waste, but that isn't how it should be. And now we have a solution: Bioregen. The Bioregen Food Conversion Unit is a safe, clean and eco-friendly way to convert unused food into a valuable resource that helps us grow more food. First, unused food is fed into the unit through a funnel at the top. Friendly microbes that help digest food are added, and the whole mix is ground up into a mushy soup. This mushy soup is then transferred into an external collection chamber. Here, friendly microbes go to work to convert the unused food back into basic mineral resources like carbon, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. Once the breakdown is complete, other friendly microbes work to rebuild these resources into a special compound which contains billions of tiny living batteries and millions of powerful living magnets. These living batteries work to absorb raw energy from the sun and store it for later use. At the same time, the living magnets attract and capture nutrients like nitrogen and carbon dioxide from the air. The energy and microbe-rich accelerator that results from this process is then sent to local farms, where it helps to revitalize the energy and nutrient systems in the soil, where all our food comes from. When used on crops, this special bioenhancer works in the soil to provide energy from the sun and to attract nutrients which plants need. Working above and below the ground, the bioenhancer helps soil to become rich in stored nutrients and bioenergy, making it more fertile. As good soil is what gives life to plants, use of this bioenhancer ultimately results in healthier crops and more consistent food production. Even plants which were dying can be revived if given the right nutrients and conditions for growth. Without good soil, we would starve. With Bioregen, we can help build healthier farms, more reliable food supplies, and better quality produce for all of us to consume. Now, our unused food helps better food to grow. A complete cycle with much less harm to the ecosystem along the way. Bioregen, food to food for a better world.